Welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a stump with an axe. Let's start off by drawing the axe with a short angled line like so, followed by a slightly longer perpendicular line here. From the top, draw another perpendicular line that flares out to the right towards the end. Then, draw a slightly curved line going towards the other end, but stopping short like this. From there, draw a horizontal line that goes past or cut in the lob. From the top, draw two lines going up and to the right to the handle of the axe, and connect the lines at the end with a curved line. Then, at this end of the axe head, draw a small nub for the part of the handle that sticks through. To start the stump, draw a wide oval around the tip of the axe like so. Then, on the left, draw a line going straight down that turns into a jagged line going down and to the left for the roots, and another root going down and to the left over here. Mirror these steps on the other side of the stump, with slight differences to make it look more natural. To add some more detail, draw a couple of tall zigzags around the roots for some grass. And also some very thin ovals on the stump for the tree rings that get smaller and smaller as you get to the middle. Some thin, slightly wavy lines going down the stump and along the roots for the bark texture. Lastly, to finish off the axe head, draw a thin, curved line here for the sharp part. And now you've got a stump with an axe.